We're going to talk about a rather serious topic.
Hey guys, Steve here. Working on a 22 Ram 1500 using the AutoProPAD G2. I got my connector here. Just right there. You can see the stock connectors right there. It's usually attached right here. You just pop this panel off. I reach under the kick panel here, pop it up, and let it hang down here so I can plug it in easy and then just put it back. And it's super simple. I'm gonna go to Chrysler. So we're gonna go by vehicle. We're gonna go by Dodge. Scroll down, go to Ram, go to 19 plus, go to Ram 1500. Yep, we already got that hooked up. So we're gonna repin. All right, 45929. Already entered in. This is the one we're programming in right here. So it says to hold down the start button with the corner of the key. There it goes. So if you saw that blinking or not, that means it's programming. Program success. And we're good to go. As simple as that. Now all you gotta do is come under here, detach your cable, put this guy back up here. You probably need two hands. I don't know, I do. But yeah, that's easy. That's the 22 Ram with the AutoProPAD G2.